are not chili, these are flowers, I think so. What do you think so?
Yes. Are you making a video?
Yes. But it look like a chili, na?
Yes. Very chilly.
It look like a red chilies. But it's a flower. Okay, let's go.
Hello friends, we are going to the swing now.
Oh,
We have seen the video.
it's
we are
two old
showing-
videos. They
Yes.
might have not seen it.
And this is the park. First we need to go from there then here.
And what this? What this? This whole lawn. What this called? It's a golf course.
Yes, a golf course. And I think so we might be a share. We have gone to the share too.
Here is a that chair and sitting.
Oh yes, that is it. If you are too tired, you can sit over there. If you are not tired, you have to take the shortcut. It is a beautiful river.
Right.
Oh, what is there right then? In the rock?
Calm, peace, serene, tranquil.
Nice. Why they put far away the swing?
It's a very big parcel, no?
Oh yes, need to make the flags and
Right.